बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। Welcome back to my channel. This is DIY craft videos. Signing in. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most beautiful denim jeans recycling craft ideas. These are very beautiful and very amazing ideas for you guys. These are most beautiful and very stunning denim jeans recycling ideas for you guys. These are very unique and very beautiful denim jeans recycling ideas for you guys. And if you want different other kind of videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are very unique and very simple and very classy ideas for you guys. And I am very thankful to you all for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are very pretty and very unique and very stunning denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. Keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. These are very unique and very stunning denim jeans recycling craft ideas. Always take care guys, always be happy. These are very stunning and very beautiful denim jeans recycling craft ideas. So follow for more details. Keep subscribing my channel, keep watching my videos. These are super stunning, most beautiful and very trending denim jeans recycling ideas for you guys. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz guys.